If you're struggling with infertility and you are either taking Clomid or Letrozole or you're thinking about it, then today's video is for you. Hi everyone, I am Maral Salerno, functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner of ReclaimOptimalHealth.com, where I help couples just like you resolve their infertility and get back to creating those families you so deeply desire. Before we get started, I want to just ask you real quick to click on that subscribe button down below so that you get notifications every Friday when I post functional fertility videos. And please come and join me on Instagram. I am at Maral Salerno, where I serve you, talk to you, chat with you, answer your questions, and provide you with valuable functional fertility boosting content. So I love to see you there. Now, if you haven't taken a functional approach to your infertility before beginning Clomid or Letrozole or really any hormone treatments, IUI or IVF, then listen to me loud and clear. The time is now. You want to begin your infertility journey by starting with a functional approach and bringing your health into an optimal state and resolving your infertility rather than ending with a functional approach, right? Wouldn't you agree? Because you'll be so much more successful at having your baby naturally and actually having a successful IVF. And it will also prevent you from having to go through the heart-wrenching process of trial and error to end up falling here anyways. And on top of it, which is a super wonderful side benefit that I think everybody would want, is then you can have a healthy baby and not just a baby. Now, Clomid and Letrozole have a lot of side effects and symptoms that are carried with them. And some of those are hot flashes, constipation, nausea, joint pain, breast tenderness, mood swings, gut issues galore, multiple pregnancies, and even ectopic pregnancies. So I think you would agree that if you could choose a natural and drugless way to resolve your infertility issues, you would choose that if you knew what it was, right? I think I would hear a resounding yes from everyone. Now, Clomid in particular blocks the action of estradiol. And what that means is it actually reduces the quality of cervical mucus, especially around the time of ovulation, which makes it harder for the sperm to swim through the mucus to get to the egg. And Clomid also blocks the signal from the brain to your ovaries, which has huge immediate and future consequences. And it really disrupts your body's natural ability to produce and release your hormones as well as to ovulate, amongst other things. So I think if you knew, again, what are natural and holistic ways for you to remedy and resolve your infertility issues, you would choose that over Clomid and Letrozole. Plus, I'm sure you don't want to have the side effects and the immediate and future consequences that those medications play on your body and on yourself. Okay, so what the heck do you do about it? I mean, if you're gonna choose not to use Clomid or Letrozole, like what do? How do you even begin to engage in a functional fertility approach like the one that I offer? So the first thing you wanna do is to identify your stressors. And this is something that I help you do in my fertility success programs. But I also have a guide for you down below to explain to you what all forms of stress are, what they do to your body, and what you can begin to do about it on your own. Now, identifying your stressors is identifying not only your mental, emotional, and spiritual stressors, but identifying your biochemical biochemical stressors and your biomechanical stressors. So your biochemical stressors are things like your gut imbalances, bad bacteria. You probably have infections or pathogens in your gut, because 99.9% of my clients do. Most people walking around do have them. And so you want to address them because they're a stressor, and stressors are acting upon your body, and you have a lot of them, and that is what is causing your infertility. So we want to reduce and eliminate as many of those stressors as possible to bring your body into a state of rest and digest, and a yearning and a natural ability to want to conceive, so you can bring your baby into the world in 2021, right? Now, number 2 is running functional lab testing, and that is also another thing that I do in my Functional Fertility Success program. And what is unique about functional lab testing is that it helps us to really look at what are the root contributors to your infertility. And they're not lab tests that your conventional doctor or your infertility doctor will use. And the reason is because they just don't have access to them, they're not exposed to them, and they also don't know how to read them, right? Because everybody uses what they're used to using, and they don't generally open up to a new mindset or a new method. So with functional lab testing, we'd use something like a stool test to examine what is going on in your gut, because we know how interrelated the gut is to fertility or infertility, if you will. And so we would want to evaluate that and see what is stressing out your body and be able to take care of it, right? Now, also with functional fertility results, I use a lab range that is based on healthy and fertile men and women, so I can move you from where you're at into a fertile and healthy state. Versus when you're working with your conventional docs, they use the lab ranges given from the labs, which is based on a very large homogeneous population that, as you know, the entire population is pretty much unhealthy. Everyone's got sicknesses going on. And that is what results in your doctors telling you that you have unexplained infertility, and they don't have any answers for you because you're in the lab's reference range. And that is a big problem. So you can see why that doesn't really work. And then from those functional results, what I do is I take that and I create a preconception care plan uniquely designed for you. So number 3 is having a preconception care plan uniquely designed for you that includes getting your diet designed for you, getting your rest right, getting exercise right for you, reducing all forms of stressors and eliminating as many of them as we can, and getting a supplement regimen designed exactly for you. So instead of choosing Clomid and Letrozole, you can choose a functional fertility approach first, so that you can really prepare and have your baby naturally or have a successful IVF, instead of getting yourself stuck again in this cycle of trial and error that's heart-wrenching and disappointing and leaves you in a lot of confusion with the information that you receive. And it also empowers you and educates you about not only your fertility, but your overall health for the rest of your life. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? So you can sign up for a qualifying call with me by clicking on that qualifying call link down below, where we can talk about how you can have your baby in 2021. I hope this video was helpful for you all, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.